Hello again. In this moment, I discuss all about the horizontal oriented of ellipse. So what is horizontal ellipse? The direction of ellipse is based on its transverse axis. If it's along x-axis, it's horizontal ellipse, and if the axis is along y-axis, it's vertical ellipse. If the larger number is under x, then it's a horizontal ellipse. If it is under the y, then it is a vertical ellipse. So the orientation of an ellipse is determined by A and B. If A is greater than B, then the ellipse is wider than it is tall and is considered to be a horizontal ellipse. So what is the equation for a horizontal ellipse? The major axis in a horizontal ellipse is given by the equation y is equals to v. The minor axis is given by x is equals to h. The major axis in a vertical ellipse is represented by x is equals to h. The minor axis is represented by y is equals to v. The length of the major axis is 2a and the length of the minor axis is 2p. So here's the what yung sa dito sa COVID ha. So mo siya ang minor axis ug ang major axis. Kini sa mo ni sa ang minor axis then kani ang major axis. So next, what is A and B in ellipse? Remember, the patterns for an ellipse is H, K is the center point. A is the distance from the center to the end of the major axis and B is the distance from the center to the end of the minor axis. So, here's the example. So, ang A is the distance to the center minor axis. So, ni siya. Kani. Then B is the distance between the center of major axis. So, kani siya. Major, then minor. Example. Equation of horizontal ellipse. So, muna sa example, x is equals to h squared over a squared plus y is equal y minus k squared over b squared is equals to 1. So, the center is h and k. So, here's the given. X minus 3 squared over 5 squared plus y plus negative 1 squared over 2 squared is equals to 1. So, imon siyang isolve. So, ang h is equals to 3. Then, ang k is equals to negative 1. Then, ang a squared, ang a is equals to 5 and b is equals to 2. So, if you graph, imon siyang i-graph, muna sa ang resulta. Kani, di ba ang h, kani h is 3, so muna siyang nadali ang point 3. Then ang k is negative 1, so muna siyang nadali ang point. Gets? Then sa kuha ninyo is 5. So kung imo ni siyang ihapon patakilid diri kana sa dira kani 5 na siya. 1 2 3 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, dito naman yung point. Then, ang B is 2. So, nasa 1, 2. So, muna siya dira ang point. So, dali na kita sa guys. So, that's it. And thank you.